Hello guys, Sijesh here, welcome. And in this video I will walk you through the installation and configuration of Atlas, a data governance tool used in Hortonworks distribution. And I will be doing this demo in my cluster, a single node cluster, so which is running on Ambari 2.4 and HTTP 2.5. And before doing installation, so we need to do certain prerequisites. Okay, so we will check what are the prerequisites. So one is we need HBase installed in our cluster, and the second is the Kafka service should be here installed, and then so we need a solar cloud. Okay, solar cloud for solar cloud we can use Ambari infra. Okay, so with the latest versions solar cloud is available as Ambari infra, or else you can go ahead with separate solar cloud instance. Okay, so these are the prerequisites. So HBase should be here, and then Kafka we need to install, then solar cloud, or we will use Ambari infra in our case. And here I am using an version Ambari 2.4.2 and HTTP 2.5. Okay, so let me open my cluster, and again for the documentation part, so you can log into docs.hortonworks.com, then select the latest version, whatever the version you have choose, then click HTTP and data governance. So here you will be getting the complete documentation on Atlas. So how to install, what are the components, and all those theory parts are available here, so you can just walk through. So I already installed HBase, so that is not required. So Kafka is also here, so the remaining part is Ambari infra. So I'm just adding that service, Ambari infra. So where is that? Yeah, so Ambari infra is a solar cloud instance, so you can use that, or else you can use a separate managed solar cloud instance. Okay, so that's it. So here node selection, so yeah, I don't have any other choice here because my cluster is running on a single node instance. Select that, and again whatever the client components. Okay, here also I have selected its default, then next. And for customizing the service, so here also I don't have any, I'm not doing any changes, so keeping the memory and other parameter as default, then next. And there are some warnings and on configuration, so I'm okay, so proceed with this, and then deploy. Okay, so it will take few minutes to complete the installation, so we will wait. Okay, so the installation is in progress. Okay, so now reached 44%. Okay, so now the installation of solar has completed. Okay, fine. So there are some services which may require a restart, so if that requires, so we will do that. And now we have all the prerequisites. Okay, so we have Kafka in place, so we have HBase and we have Ambari infra. Okay, so now next we can go ahead and install this Atlas. So add service wizard, then click Atlas, then next. Here you can select then what are the metadata server. So here I have only single machine. Okay, I'm selecting that is fine. Then next. Yeah, okay, again the whatever the client service, okay, selected, next. And then here so we have a customizing option, and authentication type I'm selecting as none. So we have AD and LDAP options available. So this is for Atlas authentication, and no other like important parameters, so we need to edit. Then next. Yeah, there are some configuration warning, then proceed anyway. Okay, so then deploy. So it will take a couple of minutes depending on your network bandwidth, so it will take some time to do this installation. Okay, so we will wait. Now the installation is over. Okay, so next, and restart the services if required. Okay, yeah, so now everything is normal, so you can just check whether Atlas is working. Okay, so there are some services which you might need to restart, so you can click that here. So restart all the required and confirm restart. Okay, so it will take another 2 to 3 minutes to restart all the services. So okay, so now I have restarted the services. Okay, so for accessing Atlas, you can just click. One second. So here, see this my system cannot resolve this, so I need to type IP 168.117. Okay, so there was a configuration mistake. Okay, so see Atlas server bind address, it was a local host earlier, so I just replaced that with my IP address. Okay, so once you made that changes, so we have to save that, and then if required, need to restart the affected service. So post to that, click Atlas, then check this quick link, then Atlas dashboard. So here again I need to provide my IP address 192.168.117 and 139. Okay, so I'm getting this window. So default credentials are admin. Okay, yeah, so yes, tag and search option is there by default, so both are there. Okay, that's it. So and next we can try to enable taxonomy service, so I will show you how to do that. Okay, so to enable taxonomy, so we need to add a variable like atlas.feature.taxonomy enable equal to true. So we can add that from Atlas configuration add-ons custom application properties. Okay, Atlas configurations, then click custom add-ons. Yeah, custom, what is that, custom application properties. See that one we need to write custom application properties, then add that property. Okay, so this one equal to true. Okay, so save that configuration, then restart if any services, yeah, changed to true. Okay, so that's it. Then so it may require a restart of the services, especially the Atlas one. Okay, so we will do that. Okay, so not only Atlas, some other dependent services also needed restart, then click restart all required. Okay, so I have successfully restarted the service after making these changes, then trying to log in to Atlas. Okay, so now here you can see one more option, taxonomy, but taxonomy is still in beta state. Okay, but still you can use it in a development and testing environment. So taxonomy and search. Okay, so these options are available. So that's about the installation and configuration of Atlas. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.